because I know there's a group of you that love to write about Pokemon, I thought I would take our idea of trying to write a little poetry and a little song and look at a Pokemon. So this is what I've written so far. Pikachu, Pikachu, where
are you? I am not
in a house.
I am not with a mouse.
Mouse. Oh, so what letter is missing there for it to make mouse? Come on up.
That means house.
That's right. So she's gonna grab it and she's gonna fill. Yeah, she's gonna fill in that. Oh, give it a second try. It's just the first try. Try again. Now remember, we start at the top. Okay. Now hold on a second. Let's see, because we're writing on a line. Let's see if we can start and we can make a line down and then one hump and another hump. So start at the top, line down, one hump, another hump. Mouse. So I am not in a house. I am not with a
Mouse.
I am not. Who has an idea of what we could write?
With a fox.
Okay, so let's see if you can use other words to make this with leaving the spaces in between. You think you can do it?
Yeah.
Okay, give it a try. Awesome. I like how you're kind of crouching down. That helps with not standing in the way of the shadow.
With the whole entire line.
Oh.
I'm not here. I am not with the mouse. I mean, I'm not here or there. I am not anywhere.
Now, hold on a second. Before you do anything else, we have the word with. If we put it too close together, it's really hard to see. So let's give a big space, especially on the smart board. And let's try at. Oh, I like that. I am not with a. That's okay. Good. Okay, so I am not with a fox. And just to make it easier to see, I'm going to turn that into the O there. So I'm not with a fox. Who thinks they can come and add the second O? What could rhyme with it? I'm not with a fox. Divya?
I'm not with a box.
Okay, so let's try to read it so far. Pikachu, where are you? I am not in a house. I am not with a mouse. I am not with a fox. I am not with a box. Now before we go any further, the end of this line had a
Period.
and the end of this line, because it was a full sentence. Oh my gosh, Sarah, can you come and add the periods for us? Where do they belong in our sentences?
At the end.
Okay, let's come and see. Now, I'm going to move to the next page because I am not with a fox. I am not with a box. Ricardo, you said you had an idea. What did you think we could do?
I'm not sure there. I am not anywhere.
Okay, come on up, Ricardo. I'm going to help with at least giving you a bit of a guide because it's a big, we don't have to always write on lines, but in this case it helps to have at least a little bit of something. So what if we start with, I am not here or there? So I, oh, and remember big space, yep. I, okay. Not. Now, don't forget your spaces so we can read easily. So I am not. Now, hold on. Here has one final letter at the end. Do you know what it is?
E.
You got it. I am not here or there. Now, if this is the word here, see if you can use that word to write there. What will stay the same? Right, but the th sound is what two letters? You got it. And then you're going to add in, make sure you take your time to form those letters correctly. E-R and what goes at the end. Okay, I am not here or there. Ricardo, pick someone who thinks they could write that second line using your good writing as their guide. Okay. Aiden's had a turn though. Do you think there's someone who might? Perfect. I know it's hard to write when we're on the smartboard, but it's always good to take our time to make sure we're forming our letters correctly. Marianne, just 1 second. To make sure we're forming our letters correctly, or it's hard to read. Oh, she's figured it out. What word are you looking to write?
I was thinking of the word anywhere.
Okay. How do we spell the word any? It's like N-E. How would we spell the word an? Okay. Oh, just an though, not and. How would we spell an? An. Hold on. Listen to the word. Not am, which is A-M. We want an.
A-N.
A-N. So let's start. So let's erase the E then. Okay. So let's try an. Okay. Now, any. That's like there's that. So it's an E, but it's not an E that makes it. What is it?
A Y.
A Y.
Because
Annie.
make I-R-E. Yeah.
Now, where?
O-I. My brain.
Oh, no. Okay, before you finish with where, look at how we spelled here and there. How could we use those words to spell where?
All you need is a W.
And then, what?
All we need is a W. And then we add the E-R-E.
E-R-E, right. I'm doing a bad job at repeating today. I apologize. I should be listening. I don't need to repeat. Okay, now, what goes at the end of the sentence? That's right, you can just put it underneath if you want. Like a little bit underneath. Perfect. There you go. Now, just put this down for a second.
I like that.
Okay. Now, I am not here or there. I am not here or there. That sounds like a whole. So what should go at the end of that? I am not here or there. I am not anywhere. Now, where is a funny word? Where is on our cue chart? There's a silent letter that goes in there. And it has, anywhere is actually one word. It's a compound word. It puts these two words together. And if you look at where on there, look carefully. How do you spell it, Debia?
W-H-E-R-E.
Right. The E at the end is silent, but so is the
H. Just like what?
right.
W-H-A-T.
Right, and even look at the word who and why and when. Huh. We got lots of funny words like that. That's okay. Oh, that's right. But it's funny to see that there are actually a lot of words here that have those silent letters in them. I just need to take this out to stop our recording.